Delivery pay on apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub changes based on tips, distance, and demand, not just the base pay the app shows up front, which is why two drivers can earn very different amounts on the same platform. By the end, you'll know how each app actually pays drivers, where the real money comes from, and which platform tends to be the most consistent for earnings depending on how you work. Start with the most important truth. All three apps use a mix of base pay plus customer tips. The base pay alone is usually low compared to total earnings, so tips and peak demand periods matter more than the app itself. Now break down DoorDash first. DoorDash is known for higher order volume in most areas. That means more frequent offers, especially during lunch and dinner rush. Drivers often make decisions based on order stacking, where multiple deliveries are bundled into one trip to increase total payout efficiency. Next is Uber Eats. Uber Eats tends to focus more on trip-based pricing that changes with distance and demand. Orders can be more spread out, but some drivers prefer it because they can see more transparent trip details before accepting. Now Grubhub. Grubhub often operates with fewer orders in many regions, but some drivers report higher payouts per order in select markets because of longer delivery distances or different restaurant partnerships. Here's how to compare them realistically. DoorDash usually gives more consistent order flow. Uber Eats can feel more flexible because of how trips are shown and accepted. Grubhub can vary heavily depending on your city, with either slow volume or occasional higher value deliveries. The key point most new drivers miss is that earnings are not locked to one app. Many experienced drivers run 2 or 3 apps at the same time to reduce waiting time between orders and increase total daily earnings. The biggest factor is not the platform alone. It's your location, time of day, and how often you're actively getting requests without sitting idle. Now the takeaway. DoorDash usually leads in order volume, Uber Eats offers flexible trip visibility, and Grubhub depends heavily on market strength. Actual earnings come more from demand timing and multi-apping than the app name itself. Next step is simple. Check which app has the most active orders in your area during lunch and dinner hours, then test running 1 or 2 apps together to compare real earnings. If you want more clear breakdowns like this for gig apps and delivery platforms, subscribe for practical guides that cut through the confusion.